Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today I have an amazing life hack for you. How to make your very own portable, space-saving soap using just dish soap and a special absorbent material that dissolves in water. Perfect for travel or camping. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. Dishwashing liquid of your choice. Facial tissue or toilet paper. Scissors. A paintbrush. And small bag or a ziplock bag. And don't forget, a sunny spot to dry it all out. First up, take your facial tissue and separate it into 2 sheets. Now, I'm going to pour a generous amount of dish soap right onto the tissue. Look at that. Then, using this brush, I'll spread it evenly across the surface, making sure every inch is covered. This is what's going to give us that lovely lather when it's time to wash up. Now, let's let it dry. Hang your soap-soaked material in a sunny spot for a few hours. The sun will work its magic and help it dry out completely, making it ready for the next step. Once it's completely dry, it's time to transform this sheet into portable soap strips. Just fold it up and cut it into small, easy-to-use pieces. Look at how simple that was. These little strips are perfect for travel. Just toss them in your bag, and you're good to go. When you're ready to use them, just grab a strip, add a bit of water, and watch it lather up beautifully. So there you have it. Lightweight, convenient, and super effective dissolvable soap for all your adventures. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try this super easy and eco-friendly soap hack? Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and if you have any other cool DIY ideas for travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.